In this tutorial, I will show you how to import and export files like PDF, PowerPoint, Word and Excel in Canva. First, open Canva and go to your dashboard. To import a file, click Create a Design, then select Upload Files. Locate the file on your computer and upload it to Canva. If you upload an Excel file, Canva will import the spreadsheet and convert it into editable design elements. This allows you to visually present data by adding graphics, colors, or charts. You can also import a Word document the same way. Upload the Word file and Canva will convert the text into editable pages that you can redesign with fonts, images, and layouts. To import a PDF file, upload it from your computer. Canva will automatically separate each page of the PDF into editable design pages. You can then modify text, images, or layout directly inside Canva. If you upload a PowerPoint presentation, Canva will convert each slide into a design page. This makes it easy to redesign the slides using Canva templates, graphics, and animations. After editing your document, you can export it from Canva. Click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. Select PDF Standard or PDF Print as the file type. If you want the document to be non-editable, enable the Flatten PDF option. This locks all elements in place so they cannot be changed. Click Download and your file will be exported from Canva and ready to share or print.